Want to know a cool way to save money with Google Flights? The popular travel search site lets you compare the airfares for your origin and destination airports to alternatives nearby. Being flexible by choosing another airport could save you hundreds on your flight. The process is really easy and takes just a few seconds. Let me show you how it works. Step 1. Input your information. Go to Google Flights and put in your origin, destination, and your arrival and departure dates. Step 2. Look at the nearby airports. Once you get your search results, click the Nearby Airports icon from the menu on the right. When you click it, a map will pop up that shows nearby airports and the prices from those locations. Step 3. Select nearby airports. You can choose alternative airports for your origin or destination. For instance, if I'm flying from Miami to Baltimore, the best price is $325 for the dates I've selected. But if I click on the Nearby Airports button, I can see alternative airports to fly out of and into. Just click on the checkbox or Add Airport to let Google Flights know that you're interested in that option as well. Step 4. Check out the other airfares. By selecting some other airports that I'd be willing to travel through, the best price on airfare is down to $120 round trip. That's over $200 in savings, just for flying out of another airport. This feature is especially helpful to travelers who live in cities with multiple airports or people who live within a short driving distance of another city with an airport. This trick is one of a few modifications that you can make to a Google Flights search to find a great deal on your airfare. Google Flights is one of Clark.com's favorite sites to score travel deals. How do you save money on airfare? Let us know in the comments. And to learn more travel tricks, go to Clark.com/travel.